Welcome to James Auto Channel. The world of electric vehicles is evolving fast, and automakers are making major strides in electrification. From sleek, sporty cars to family-friendly SUVs and rugged trucks, the variety of all-electric vehicles has never been more exciting. But with all these options out there, there are some key things you need to know before jumping into the EV world. Today, we'll walk you through the important questions to ask before buying an electric vehicle. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you never miss our latest updates. All right, let's dive in. First up, driving range. This is a big one. The driving range of an electric vehicle tells you how far it can go on a full battery charge. And honestly, a longer range is always better. In recent years, electric vehicles have come a long way. The range varies greatly from one model to another. For example, the 2024 Nissan Leaf has a range of just 149 miles, which might not be enough for everyone. But then you've got models like the Lucid Air, which can go over 500 miles on a single charge. If long road trips are in your future, this is definitely something to consider. Now let's talk about new versus used EVs. Just like with traditional cars, you can save some money by going used. But keep in mind, the EV tech has evolved rapidly, especially in terms of battery life and driving range. Take the 2012 Tesla Model S, for example. It offers up to 265 miles on a full charge, but today's models can go as far as 405 miles. So while a used EV might save you some cash, it could lack the latest features and range. Leasing or buying an EV? What's the best option for you? Leasing an EV can offer lower monthly payments compared to financing a purchase. The catch? At the end of the lease, you don't own the vehicle. But with technology improving fast in the EV world, leasing allows you to upgrade every few years and always have the latest tech and battery innovations. Is now the right time to buy an EV, or should you wait? The good news is that prices are dropping. Companies like Tesla and Ford have lowered their prices to attract more buyers, and new models are hitting the market regularly. That said, next year's models might offer even more features and options. But if you're ready for a car today, the current selection is already pretty impressive. One of the biggest perks of owning an EV is the ability to charge it at home. If you have a garage, you can install a charging station right there. Many apartment complexes even offer charging stations for residents. While public charging stations are available, nothing beats the convenience of charging at home. Now let's talk about insurance. Good news, insurance for EVs is similar to traditional cars. But keep in mind, since some EVs are more expensive than their gas counterparts, the insurance rates might be higher. For luxury models like the high-end Teslas, insurance can get pricier, but more affordable EVs can still be budget-friendly in terms of coverage. Thanks for watching. Now, do you think you'll be purchasing an electric vehicle in the near future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content on all things automotive. See you in the next video.